What's going on, everyone? So, I've spent roughly 14 years working around various crypto testing platforms, and USDT generating software specifically became my area of focus about 8 years ago, mostly because this particular niche is absolutely riddled with fraudulent operations. Honestly, I'd confidently say 90% of services promoting these capabilities are running some variation of scam. Finding legitimate providers has become incredibly difficult. Flash USDT is literally the only service I've maintained continuous usage with, been with them around 28 months now, over 2 years running, consistent operational behavior, and absolutely zero unexpected changes. So when Flash USDT is implemented correctly, what you're getting is token generation that produces perfect visual replicas of legitimate Tether inside your wallet, identical branding elements, matching ticker symbols, displays exactly as you'd expect. Where the distinction happens is in the parameter control. You're defining transfer count allowances, setting expiration windows, and establishing daily transaction thresholds. So it's genuinely useful for stress testing applications. Okay, let me walk through this operating in real time. I've got the dashboard loaded. First choice here is quantity selection. 4 different package tiers displaying. Each shows pricing breakdown and intended scenarios. I'll go with this tier. Good. Now I'm setting visibility duration, options spanning 1 hour through 7 days. For this demonstration, locking in 3 days. Good. Next requirement is target address input and network selection. Okay, choosing TRC20 my wallet, grabbing the address. Perfect, everything I want. And last step is hitting Buy Flash. Notice, so 2 payment routes available, direct send to provided address or wallet linking. Wallet linking is more straightforward, so picking trust, transactions processing. And yep. Excellent. 500K tokens just generated and sent. Just waiting for confirmation. So while confirmation happens, let me share why this platform earned my trust. And it's completely based on getting burned by fake services before finding something real. So the sophistication level of scam operations has increased dramatically. Many fraudulent platforms now look more professional than legitimate services. Your protection comes from verification habits, not trusting appearances. Always independently confirm blockchain activity through public explorers before trusting any platform claiming blockchain functionality. If transactions they claim to generate don't appear in publicly accessible blockchain explorers that anyone can check, it's fraud regardless of how convincing their interface looks. Also understand that in this space, higher price doesn't indicate legit. Scammers often charge premium prices specifically to appear more legitimate while delivering nothing. Start with smallest possible investment, verify thoroughly through independent sources, and never scale up based on initial positive experience alone without extended testing period. Most sophisticated scams function correctly initially to build trust before either exit scanning or implementing hidden limitations that make service worthless. So, links in the pinned comment and description. Approach this carefully, verify every claim independently, and never rely on platforms' own interfaces for confirmation. Show your findings after testing. Catch you later.